yes, I'm making this right after the last video was posted. I got 25k from trading my guitar, and because the last person didn't want it. Guess what I can do? Look at this, sir. I'm just gonna figure out which one of these, the water wings, I want. But nature wings, floral feathers. Wait, the serene petals are red. No, I already decided on floral feathers. Okay. Okay, I'll have 1k left. Water. Now, the water has some pretty weird stuff. I don't really like any colorful reef guardian, no. I just gotta find wings that I like in this genre. Yeah, I think these ones are it. Okay, this is what this. Nah, these ones. Okay. So that's how she spent her fortune on wings. So I saw this girl with these. Now these are awesome. I want to save up 20k for these wings and those wings only. Hey, what's up, homesick? I can't. God, I'm so cringy. I hate offering for diamonds. It's just such a waste of time. But I do it anyway because I don't want to be rude. But, sure, nice. Okay, 9k. That means I have 10k, which means I only need 10k more. So, I really like, now I want to try and get the most expensive wings out of the main 5 categories, and I'm going to turn it out. I'm going to buy them all at the same time. Just kidding, I'm going to buy them one by one because I can't do that. Like, I have so many diamonds, then spend it on something I don't need. Because that's how I work. Don't judge. You're judging. I said stop. Stop judging. You guys probably just judging me more now, aren't you? I knew it. But yeah, water. I already have the most expensive water, so don't need to buy those. Fire, Flame of the Dragon, or Phoenix Embrace. What do I like more? Do I like Phoenix Embrace or Flame of the Dragon? Flame of the Dragon. It just looks so nice and finished. These. Okay, I don't really like those, but okay. Ice Empress. Meh. Light. Darkness Slayer is only 13k. Wow. And it's ugly. Midnight Dragon. Okay, there's 2. Midnight Dragon's Moonlight. I want to get Dragon's Moonlight. So I'm probably going to get Fire first. Because I like fire. Fire's me. Oh, she has Surface Skates. Those are my dream item. I would trade all of my big wing collection for it. Watch me, I will. I will do it. Don't underestimate me, scrub. Boo. And she has a halo. What the fruit? And she has Diddyzilla. Rip me. They're probably doing a halo for Halo right now. They're scamming her part. But I mean, oh my god, dude, how did Papa get so rich? Okay. All jokes. Skip. No jokes. Cito, pasito, suave, suavecito. Para pica boo boo. Para pa 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 dee ba doo boo 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 boo. Okay, there was this girl. I was in my apartment for tea time. Okay, so apartment. I have 2 tea stories for you today. Let me make my tea. Yeah, tea. I'll be right back. Okay, tea time. So I ran into this girl. She got me offer for her Starfrost deals. Then she showed me 5 separate pairs of Starfrost deals. I was like, do I still have to offer even though you would still have extras? And she was like, only for SE bits. And I was like, but you would still have 5 extras. It wouldn't hurt to give me one. But she was like, I'm sorry, no, you beggar. So I was confused on how I was begging if she would still have more shoes. If you guys know how that would be begging, can you please set it down in the comments? Thank you. Okay, second tea time story is that someone accepted my offer for Starfrost Gates. Then at the last moment, they canceled the trade and left the game before, like, it was after the 30-second countdown, too. I was so mad. It was so sad because I really liked Starfrost heels. Those are my favorite heels. They are my dream item next to the parasol. And it just sucks. Because it's super hard to get them. But yeah. That's the tea time for today. Later, haters. Actually, no. Not later. I'm going to finish my tea. Don't judge me. I'm thirsty. Meh. I want drink. Drink, woman. Okay. I'm also going to show you a glitch. I'm stuck. Give me that sleeping bag. Okay. Okay. And now, you are out. You are out of Sim. And a simple way to get back in, at least I think. Okay, so just do this. And bam. That is the hack. Legit, I'm not kidding. It works. If you want to troll your friends with it, have fun. But I'm gonna sleep, so I'm gonna XP. And I'm gonna do my login and I'm gonna roll with you guys. So look at me, sleeping peacefully. Look at them. Look at the lips. Look at the top of his head. Look at the top of his head. Look at the top of his. Look at the top of it. Get the smell, you weirdo. Outrunning karma, that boy. I'm weird. Okay, I sing. I forgot I was recording. Okay. What was it? Alright. I'm gonna do a little song for you guys. It's the best song in the history of the universe. Yes, I do. Like My Hero Academia. Like, none of you guys even asked. Some of them are bugging out. I really sucked at making Jiro. No. Bye, Jiro. You're not Jiro. But, yeah, Jiro. Oh, by the way, Millie and Layla is the name of my closest friends. Here are the makeup outfits. Here's Millie. Yeah, I drew the skirt. Here's Layla. Yeah, they're my closest friends. I like my friends. It's hard to rock around, that's right on time. Yeah, it's hard to rock around, that's right on time. It's hard. It's hard to rock around, that's right on time. It's hard to rock around, to rock around. A son of my baby, cries hard as babe could cry. What should I do? Now, next video, I'm going to do color challenge, because that seems cool, and I want to do it, so don't judge. I'll also see if I can do the fountain over there. It's hard to rock around, that's right, it's tricky to rock around, it's hard to rock around, that's right on time, it's tricky. It's tricky. It's hard to rock around, that's right on time, my life goes potato. It's just a neighborhood weirdo. Okay, I'm also going to share some of my pet peeves. People who want free items. Now, there's nothing wrong with these people, it's just annoys me so much that they ask for items that you don't want, because obviously you're going to want stuff for it, because other people might want it. Like, 1 second. Let me show you. Where is it? Okay. So, I don't really like this, but other people want it. Like, I don't really like these. Or these. Or these. Or this. But I like these. Yeah, so that's it for today's video, and that's it for videos today. Sorry, my upload schedule is whack. Wacky. I was gonna say something not channel friendly. Wacky tobacco.